It's me again, Lindsay Alston. Let me show you how to use the app. First thing you want to do is navigate to your LinkedIn, click your post impressions, click it again, change to whatever time frame you want. I'm going to choose the past 365 days. Show results. I want that visual indicator that it did change to show that time frame of 365 days. You can see that is here as well. All right. Then what I'm going to do here is go to export. It's going to show you that it's complete. You then want to navigate to wherever that file downloads on your machine. You can see here that it downloaded to my downloads folder. Notice that is in bold. You want to change that bold, either want to remove it completely or just rename it to whatever you want. But if you leave it the bold here, it's not going to work in the app. So change that bold, remove it, or change it or retype it again if that's what you prefer. All right, let's navigate to the app. Let's go ahead and bring it up. All right, this is the app. What we're going to do now is browse for that file. Downloads folder is where mine was saved to. Notice the bold. I'm not going to select that one. I'm going to select the one below it. It's going to bring it up. And this is the data being displayed. Okay, so this is the information here. You can toggle through each of these. And it'll show you the various sections within that file that you just downloaded from LinkedIn. So you're able to view your data all in one spot. This is showing you the new followers over time. All right, notice that there's no information here for demographics. That's because that information is not here. However, let me show you what that would look like if the file does contain demographics. I do have an old file here with that information, and I believe that one is in this one here. If I load that file up, notice the demographics information does display. There we go. All right, so it does display. Some of the files from LinkedIn contains the audience demographics. Some of them don't. I'm not sure why that is. An older file that I have did contain that information. The newer ones that you download does not. So don't be surprised if you don't have any audience demographics information there to display. But this is how the file works. This video will be found under this link here. I will attach it here so you would have these online instructions. Thank you.